So here's another new bike that we're seeing for the first time at EICMA, and it is Yamaha's new Tracer 700. So it's the same recipe as before, but it's definitely a different flavour. It's a much more modern, sleeker, and overall more attractive looking machine than the old version. So it's still the CP2 engine, so the cross-plane crank parallel twin from the MT-07 and the new Tenere 700. But it's kind of got this makeover that makes it borrows elements of the R1 and also the Tenere as well in its design. Apart from that, spec-wise, power, everything else is all pretty much the same. It is just a much different looking motorcycle compared to the one that we've previously seen. Here it is in full-on sort of touring garb, with a rather large man side. So these are smaller headlights, these are literally just DRLs, and these are the actual sort of main and low beam headlights that you'd use while riding at night. So this bike was actually announced the other night, and it got quite a lot of reaction on social media and also on the website. I don't know, I had a Tracer 700 for a year as a long-term test bike from Yamaha, and it was a great machine, but it was kind of, as soon as they launched it, it sort of already looked a little bit dated, if you know what I mean. Whereas this newer, more sort of sleeker looking version looks absolutely spot on. So we've got an adjustable screen as before. Can't quite see how you adjust it, I'm assuming there's some buttons on the back. It doesn't get a TFT dash, but it does get one of those negative LCDs, so it's a black dash with white numerals. And overall, it's a very cool looking machine. There's another colour option that you've got over there. It's got adjustable suspension, adjustable front forks. The old Tracer had no adjustability on the suspension other than rear shock absorber preload. Whereas this is fitted with a slightly higher spec set of front forks. To be honest with you, it's not a bad thing. The old one had sort of the handling characteristics of a waterbed. When you release the throttle, the rebound would sort of make the bike jump up in the air sort of thing. But, so yeah, there you have it, new Tracer 700.